lip will be doing the talking. Yeah, as we do. Voila. So this is what I will be trying today. And so for a long time now, I just realized that I've been using the same lipstick. How ridiculous. I just realized that, you know, for some people, you just have like 1 or 2 lipstick that you just put on all the time. I just literally like, oh my god, I've been using this lipstick for so long, and it's almost like that. Then I said to myself, why don't I just treat myself to something really nice? So I went to the high street the other day to grab some lippy and some lip liners as well. So yeah, and these are MUA brand. So I think one retails for, was it £2.50? They were on sale, so I was a bit lucky from that perspective. And the lip liners, they were £1.50. I would have, yeah, £1.50. They were £1.50. So and you know, the weather is, we come into like autumn season, like the American would say, the fall season. So I thought, why don't I just pick some nice autumnal color just to spice things up this period. So I can't wait to put this on to try with you guys. Don't forget to tell me what you think, and yeah, let's do it. So as I'm trying it on, I'll be introducing the color, the names of the color as we go. I think it's a bit easier that way. So let's have some fun doing this. So I'll just take, I have a little bit of lip balm on. As you can see, my lips is all nice and bare. Let's go for it. So the first one I'm going to go with, I think, oh my goodness, what am I going to go with? So I'll go with this one. And I have a lip liner that matches this too. So, and this one is like purplish, as you can tell, as you can see. It's very purplish, and this is the Desire. This lipstick is matte lipstick and it's a liquid lipstick. They are all liquid lipstick and they are matte finish as well. So I don't know, I'm a bit brave with this color. I haven't tried purple before, never ever. I never tried it before. So this one might be my first purple when I go try. It seems like I'm a little bit nervous even trying to put this on. But you know what, let's just break some boundaries and see how it goes. This is just a trying all myself. Yeah, I'm just going to line it. Wow, I like the lip liners. For £1.50, I think it's really good. It's very creamy. And the color is, you know, with this, you don't even need lipstick. You could just put it all with a bit of lip gloss. I think you're ready to go. The color is very bright, you could tell. It's really true to the color that they... Yeah, this is nice. Try this color. This is like out of my comfort zone. Right. I'll just let that dry for a sec and see what I think. Wow, this lipstick is really nice. I think you could use this lipstick for day and night look, and it's very high pigmented. It's very good lipstick. Actually, I thought I would be like, oh my god, this is it's going to be too much, but I'm loving it. I'm loving my look. I think it's nice. I don't want to put my lips together. I don't want the lipstick to break because it's not fully dry at the moment. But when it's fully dry, I think it's one of those lipstick that you could, even though when you drink water or anything, it doesn't leave mark or so. Yeah, but just, it's almost dry. Yeah, I love it. It's very subtle. You could use it during the day, but I will go out with this in the night. I don't think I could do the day stuff with this kind of lipstick, except I'm going out with, I'm on holiday or something like that, it's fine. But for my everyday activities, I don't think I will be able to pull this one up in the night. You know, because when I go for my school runs, all the other one will like, kilo day, kilo shele. What did they happen? You know, I don't want them to get confused. So I think in the night I'll be absolutely comfortable with this color. I really love it. I think it suits me. In the night I'll be comfortable with it. On holiday it's fine, but just for my everyday activity life, I don't think this is for me. So let me introduce this one. So this one is the Dash. This is the Dash color. and I got a liner that almost matches the color too. So let's put this on and let's see. Ooh, that's a bit bright. I love the creaminess of this liner. I really do love the way it's so smooth, it's so creamy. I really like it. Wow. For £1.52, it's really okay. I don't think that liner is going to work. That liner is not going to work with this. Something a bit nudie is what I should have used. Something a bit nudie. So I think I've done like horrendous job with this lipstick. Well, it's a very nice color. I just need to. It's getting so dry. It's like oh, actually, that's not bad. But I think the perfect lip liner that I have is chestnut. I think chestnut is going to work with this lip color. I think I haven't done justice to this color. I think it's very nice. I love the color. I really do love the color, but I just need to find the right lip liner to go with it. Okay, this is the Impose color, and I have a lip liner to match it as well. Oh, something just fell. I have a lip liner to match it, so I can't wait to put. I saw this color, I was just like, oh wow, this color is gorgeous. This will be perfect for like a day look. This is what I think. I haven't tried it on. I don't know how it's going to look on me. So yeah, you know, if you haven't seen my video on autumn and / fall look makeup that I did, go ahead. I'll leave the link below. Go ahead and have a look. I thought this lipstick would have been perfect, but I'll see how it goes. If it's really nice, I might do another autumn fall look maybe in the future before the season comes to an end. Anyway, let's just go and let's put this on. Oh, this is nice. So I'm going to apply the lipstick. Okay. I'll just, you know, I'll tidy the edges up. It's getting dry. I could just feel like, it's like, you know, when you put your face mask on and like all this homemade face mask and it goes really dry, you could feel that the moisture is evaporating, it's coming off, and it's just like sticking there. So yeah, how many do I have to go now? I still have one more to go. So I don't want this one to be fully dry on my lips because it takes a little bit of effort to take off because it goes really solid dry. But I like this one. This is nice. I'm loving it. Oh yes, it's nice and a bit dry now. It's a bit dry. You see that shiny bit is gone, so it's proper matte finish. Yeah. Got some things in my teeth. Oh, disgusting. Yeah, I love this color. Let me know what you think. Reckless. So let's put some reckless in our mouth. Hopefully some reckless words are not going to come out of our mouth. Heaven forbid. Heaven forbid that happens. So I'll be using my MAC lipstick, the Bricks liner. I'll be using my MAC lip liner for this lipstick. And as you can tell, my lips is bare again, so let me just go ahead and line this and whack Reckless on these lips. Let's see, this is the Reckless. Let's put some Reckless in the smell. Sometimes politeness might be too much. We need some Reckless. Just joking. Oh. Ooh. So that's drying really quickly. I just have to wait and see what it gets himself into when it's all nice and dry. So guys, it's dry. Ooh, what was that? So guys, it's dry, and this is the look. I quite like it. It's very bold, it's very bright. For me, this will be like going out look in the night when I'm going out for maybe like for dinner or something like that. I would definitely love to put this on. So this is lovely. And for what they cost, I think it's really cheap. For like £3, £2.50, even £1.50 is really good. Yeah, let me know what you think. If you know you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and put your comment down below, just right there. Put your comment down below and tell me your thoughts about this MUA Makeup Academic lipstick. If you've used it before, I would love to know what you think about the product. So this is the first time that I'm actually trying their brand out, but so far all the lipstick that I bought, I think 4 of them, they're really good. Somebody's trying to come on in. So on that note, I will say bye bye. The little ones are in. I will say bye, and I'll see you guys in another video.